Hey everybody, Philip Paley Landscaping. I hope you're having a great Monday. We are here in Grant Park at my friend Christina Patrick's house, and her roses, there's a couple of roses back there, and we've got some on the other side that Felipe has taken out. They've gotten a fungus. It's not worth trying to spray them and save them. It's more cost effective to just pull them based on what they have and pick something new, which is what we did. And so the guys are going to plant some camellias, some shishi camellias, which are dwarf and will only get to be about 3 or 4 feet tall. So we're going to pull these and then we'll check back in with you after we're all done. There seem to be a lot of roots in the ground. We're having a real hard time digging the hole, but slowly but surely the guys are making progress. We're back. I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's raining. The camellias Shishi Gashira is the particular variety. They're a Japanese dwarf, so we've got those in there, and we've got those guys there. They've also had a fungus on their yard, so we did that, and we've also done some weeding. It's coming down pretty good, so we're going to sign off, but it's Philip Paley from Paley Landscaping. If I can help you with any of your lawn or landscaping needs, please give me a call at my office, 404-320-6737. Make it a great day, everybody.